Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Carlos for the 1-year follow-up. And Carlos, tell me, how has the year been?
It's been fantastic. I love my new look.
So Carlos was a Norwood 6. He pretty much, as you'll see in before pictures, had absolutely no hair anywhere on top. And what are people saying? What are your friends saying?
They love it. Some of them don't notice. They notice there is a difference, but they say something's different about you. You look really good. But some people don't know the difference. Other people know immediately. They say, "Oh, you got some hair."
So overall experience, what would you recommend to somebody who's considering getting a hair transplant?
I 100% recommend. If you want to feel more confident, if you want to look better, if that's what you really want, then I say go ahead and do it.
Carlos, it's been a pleasure. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I thank you very much for coming here for the 1-year follow-up, and you look incredible. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.